Heading out tonight, you have evening plans. Pete's on the weather deck. And Pete, have we dusted off all the snow yet?
Yeah, it's all melted, but this time yesterday it was windy and snowing. Thank goodness it was April, even though we were in the 20s, that sun still was able to get through the clouds, even though you didn't see any, so that the snow didn't stick on roads, but it did stick on our weather deck table and the deck itself. Well, it's still cold. Like, I still got the winter jacket because we're only around 40, and that's actually our high right now. Let's see what's coming up next because we have some different weather moving in, so let's discuss. So we've got a new southern system that starts moving in tomorrow. It's probably going to be dry to start the day, but around lunchtime, everybody's probably already raining or maybe even some wet snow to start, but it's primarily rain, and any snow that is occurring at the start will be melting. It's not going to stick. But still, it's coming in, so that Thursday afternoon, and still by this time tomorrow, it's soggy. It's a bit on the raw side too because, well, it's raining and not sunny like it is right now. Now, this system will kind of come at us in fits and starts, so it's not consistently raining all Thursday night and all Friday, but let's call it on and off drizzle and light rain during that period. We've been talking about this the whole week because there's a second system, a coastal system, a coastal storm that'll take over. It's moving very slowly, and it's trying to throw rain and even possibly snow back northwest from, let's say, the Poconos and Catskills and shove it into the Route 17 corridor, the I-88 corridor, and possibly into central New York. And computer models do not agree on how far west and northwest to bring this stuff in. I'll tell you what my forecast is for a second, but this period is shaky at best. What I can tell you is Sunday looks better than we had thought even yesterday, and certainly the day before that. So kind of iffiness Friday night, Saturday, better Sunday, and we're still on course for a good-looking Monday. So that's the overview. So we've got a good clear sky right now. We'll be in and out of a clear sky and some thin clouds overnight, probably a wide range of numbers in the 20s to near 30. But there you go. You may have noticed that during the morning and especially by noon, we're starting that precipitation. While it's mostly rain, cannot rule out a little bit of snow or a wintry mix at the start. The best chance of that, highest elevations, you can also see it in the Tug Hill and the Adirondacks at 3 o'clock. And then it's all rain for just about everybody else. Like I mentioned, by this time tomorrow or dinner time, upper 30s to lower 40s and steady rain is pretty raw, but that's what we've got for you. And you notice here, still steadier rain, even some wet snow over higher elevations, and then that pulls out. Remember, it's kind of just drizzly or spotty showers. And Friday, again, a lot of cloud cover, a few sprinkles, but look to the south. You'll notice at the end of this animation down here, see, this is what I was talking about. How far north and west does that thing come before it then pushes back south and east? That is the big question. Not only does it make a big difference in precipitation, it also will highly depend on the temperature too, because if we can get more sun, you may have noticed that the Futurecast said 53. That's assuming the sun comes out. I'm not willing to go that far yet. I'm still calling for some light rain or light snow tapering to just clouds and limited peaks of sun. But look at Sunday and even Monday and Tuesday. Better, brighter, milder. Stanley Law Skywatch. It looks great, but it's still cold. You're up to date with the forecast. So let's go back inside.